Hello everyone, welcome to this fourth live stream. So today in this live stream, I am going to discuss about how to create a Shopify store using Symmetry theme. So if you need that theme, then I will send you the copy of it. So here you can see this is the home page. So I'm going to the dashboard. Here you can see I have installed Symmetry theme, the latest version, which is 7.1.2. And if I am going to the customize, so we have a lot of new sections into these themes. So we will be exploring one by one. So you should actually match that match according to the requirement, like how you need and how you can adjust according to your requirements. So here is the header section first of all. So we have announcement bar where we can actually update the icons. On the top we have some messages, and on the right we have some customized section where we have the background color. For example, I am adding this background and text is white. And then after we have the menu section. If you want, you can put the menu here. For example, I am adding this. So you can see on the right we have the menu. Okay. So if you don't need, you can actually remove it. But for now, let me keep it as it is. Then we have language selector. Right now we have not added any language, so we will not able to see on the top. Okay. And we have announcement font size. So here you can see we can increase or maybe decrease. And let me save the changes. Another thing is like we can add another message. For example, I am going to write here all premium products, and let me save these changes. And we have another section, another block, which is like shipping free in US. Okay, so let me save these changes. So you can also see here we have countdown timer. So if we are adding countdown timer, then it will also show on the top, and after this it will be automatically removed. Okay, so you can add this countdown timer on all of the blocks. So whichever will be, whatever time you have selected. So accordingly, once the time is over, then automatically this announcement bars will be expired and it will be removed automatically. Okay, so you can set the end date, end time, and we have text font, heading font. For example, this is dash separation. So you can see that we have dash. If you want dot, then we have dot, and if you want only a space, then that is also working. And if you want box, then there will be a small box on the top. Okay, so you can do multiple customizations here. So one best part is like for example, this one, inside of it you can also add a link. Click on this link and you can actually connect a specific product which you are interested to sell to a specific customers. So click on insert. So you can see that we have always free shipping. So if someone is clicking on shipping, then automatically redirected to that specific page. So let me refresh this page again, and here I am clicking on shipping. So you can see that this product is displaying. Okay, so let me go back, and here we have another section which is header. So we have to upload the logo if you have any logo. So for example, I am updating with my own logo of shop website codes. Click on save. You can change the width and height of that logo. For mobile version, it is also here. For example, this is the mobile version and you wanted to change the width of the logo, so you can do it for specifically only mobile version. And if you want to change the width of the logo for desktop only, so you can update this width. Okay, can you see? Yeah, that's how it is working. Okay, now another thing is like enable transparent header. So what does it mean? If you are clicking on it, you can see that the header is transparent now. If I'm scrolling down, then it is showing. If I'm going to the top, so automatically the header is transparent now. Okay, so right now I don't need, because my logo is in black color. So if you have any other logo, so you can add it accordingly. So first example, yeah, you can also update the logo here. Can you see? So right now I have only single color of the logo. Yeah, this is also one of the white one. Yeah, great, perfect. So now you can see that I have white logo, if I'm scrolling down, then automatically my black logo is showing. Okay, so that's how you can actually put the background of your header as a transparent one. Okay, and you can also add main navigation. So we already in the mobile navigation, actually for the desktop version we have the navigation of this one. If you want for different navigation for mobile version, then you can select from here. Okay, so right now we have the logo, we have different logo for the mobile version, we have added the menu for the navigation. So this is the common menu which is reflecting right now. So one more thing is menu alignment. If you are adding it left, so automatically that is going to the left. Okay, so right now I am interested to make it like this, because if I am putting it underneath, then it will go down. If I am adding it center, so it is looking like this, but for now let me put it in the left. Okay, so that's how you can actually add these kind of stuff. Next is our story. So in this menu we can also add something more. Okay, for example, I am adding an image here. So let me show you how it will look actually. Yeah, this image. So you can see that for this story we automatically added an image. So you can actually put a link over here. So once someone is clicking on our story, then automatically redirected to about us page maybe. So let me show you how you can do. So here we have pages. So we have about us page. Okay, if someone is clicking on this image or maybe our story link, then automatically redirected to the about us page. Then we have frequently asked question or maybe contact us. So you can add the image as well as you can change these labels. For example, contact, you can write like this, write it like this. So here you can see we have something similar. Okay, so that's how you can add the menu like this. This is actually under the about menu. Okay, let me save these changes. You can also add something different, like for example, you if you want, you can add it here something like shop, and you can put all those products which you are selling, and you can also put the specific image, so that if a customer is coming, then he will automatically redirect it to that specific page. Let me show you. So here if someone is clicking, he will be redirected to shop page. Okay, so let me go to the dashboard again, I mean home page. So this was the header part, which you can do all the stuff here. So next section is, let me click here. So we have background video. So click on this background video and you can see that this video is working fine. So if you want, you can also put a different video. Right now they have added the external link. For example, I am going to the YouTube, and from here I am writing fashion. So for say example, this is the fashion video. These are the fashion videos actually. Full fashion, maybe this one, sorry. Yeah, this one. Okay, so let me copy this link and then you can paste it here. Here we go. Now you can see that in the background the video is displaying. So this is looking very beautiful, and you can also upload your own video. Click on select and you can upload some other video which you are interested in. Okay, from the offline, I mean whichever you have downloaded, you can select and upload here. Okay, then the next is right now I have added this banner, I mean slider. That's why it is not looking good. Now it is looking good. Okay, full screen, adapt the file, first image, fixed height. So whatever you want, you can add it. So sorry, this is related to the slideshow. So we are going to work on this external video. So here you can see that we have a custom placeholder also. If you want, you can upload a specific image here. For example, I am adding this image. So once the video is not playing, then this image will be showing. Okay, text shadow. Okay, great. So right now everything is looking good. So if you don't need this heading, you can hide this. You can hide this background video heading also, and you can hide this text also. So now this is looking more neat and clean. Okay, click on save. Okay, great. Now the next section is click on add section. We have blog posts. So right now we don't have any blog written, but if you need, you can add the blog post. Select a blog, for example. So for example, I am adding news. So actually we don't have any blog for now, so let's keep it as it is. So this is the blog post. Okay, next section is collapsible table. So that is something related to question answer section maybe. So for example, I am writing here FAQs. Okay, and then you can ask, you can put multiple questions and then add the answers. Okay, so for say example, I am going to, okay, right now we don't have here. Let me lorem ipsum. So this is the dummy text from where you can copy for now. So for example, I am writing this one in the answer. So if someone is clicking on it, then you can see that this is the answer. Our first question goes here. Okay, so this is the first question and the text. This is the second question, and similarly you can add whatever you are interested in into the second question. So this is second question. Okay, so in the same way you can add multiple question, paragraph and buttons. So for example, right now I am interested in question. So how much to pay? Maybe another question can be like, can we get a refund? So similarly, multiple questions you can add here. Okay, so that's how you can add FAQs section into your homepage. And let me add one more thing like paragraph. So how it works. So for example, I'm writing this. Okay. So this is the text which is just a text, not the question answer. So you can see that just below this FAQ section, we have simple text. If you need on the top, you can also add it, because in some cases we mostly add this text just above the question answers. So that is also good thing. Okay, you can keep it or maybe you can remove it according to your requirement. Now the next section is click on add section, and here we have collection list. So if you have multiple collections, you can actually add it here. Let me remove all the other stuff from below because this is just creating a mess. Okay, great. I have now neat and clean. So this is the home page. We have posts, we have FAQs, blog posts, this is the collapsible tabs, and we have collection list. Now we are dealing with collection list. Blog post I have hidden. So in the collection list, what exactly we are going to do is we are going to add multiple collections. So right now we have only 3 collections. For example, this one, another collection is this one, homepage, and the third one is this one, new arrival. So these are the 3 collections right now. So if you have any other collection, you can also add it here. Okay. If you don't have, you can add just the image. So for now, if we don't have, we don't need to do anything, but I'm just giving you an example like how it will look. Okay, perfect. And then after we have another section which is contact form. So right now if you don't need on the home page, you can remove it, but we have the contact form option also into this. Let me see. So these are the color schemas, like you can change the color. Can you see the background is little different? If I am adding this is also the different one. Okay, perfect. You can put the name, email, message, and if you want any other option you can also add, like phone number, or maybe any custom drop down, or maybe any custom checkbox. So can you see this is custom checkbox, and you can add it something like uh, terms and conditions. So agree, you can write the message like agree terms and conditions. Okay, so this kind of checkbox we always required when we are actually collecting the information from our customers. Okay, if you make it required, then before sending it the customer need to check this checkbox. Okay, here is the half width. Okay, this has no role. And if you want to keep it selected, you can write it yes. And deselected value, okay, deselected value means once unchecked then that means no, once checked then that means yes. Okay, that's good. Now we have another thing which is related to custom. Okay, countdown timer. So this is also one of the best feature we have. So here you can add an image of the product. For example, I am adding this image. Okay, and on the right we have a countdown. So that means this product is available for this much time. If a customer is purchasing this before this, then this is available, otherwise it is not. Okay, so you can put the link here. For example, I am putting a specific products link, this one, and you can also image alignment you can change. Right now we have on the right countdown and on the left we have image, so in the left it is better. We have color schema also here, so you can see we have the background white and show space around image, so this is also space now, and click on save. Okay, if you want to remove this image you can also do that. Can you see I have removed that image, but right now I am interested to keep it. Now the next is like you can update subheading, countdown timer, create urgency around. So you can actually put some messages here like this product, this we can say like we have limited number of hoodies in the stock. Okay, so that way the customer will be feeling like I need to buy it immediately. Okay, so this is a kind of urgency. Countdown timer means here you can write the title like sale, Black Friday sale, okay, and you can also put the subheading like free shipping. So this kind of text you can add according to your requirement. Click on button, you can also write here shop now, and you can also put a link of the product for this one. Okay, you can make the secondary style, you can make the link style, you can add it primary, and then click on save. So that's how you are actually creating a countdown timer for your customers. Now let's move ahead with the next section, which is custom content. So right now we don't have any custom thing to do, but if you need you can actually add it. So here we have tell your story. So we have 50% width, and if you want you can add something related to image. For example, this is kind of about us. So maybe we are going to add something similar to okay, this is something better. So you can change the text here, like for example we have subheading. So right now we don't need subheading, So we can write our story, and we can also change the text. Maybe we can remove this text, we don't need it. And on the right we have the welcome section, where we can actually put some details related to our company or maybe our business. So you can paste the random text, or maybe you need to add the text which is important for you. Okay, so right now I have added a random text. You can also add a button like read more. So here we go. Now you can add it something, I mean you can connect a specific page here, like for example about us. So someone is clicking here and he will be redirected to about us page. Okay, so that is good thing. If you are making it 100%, then what will be happening? So this will look like this, everything will be in the center. If I am adding it 25%, this is not looking good. If I am making it 66, still not looking good. 50% is better, much better. Okay, now we have some more add block sections. We can add a video if you want. So here we have the similar kind of option to add some videos. So for example, I'm going to the YouTube, clothing fashion video. So here we go. So for example, this is the video which I'm going to embed into my store. So copy and paste the URL and it should reflect here. So it is not loading. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is how it is looking. Okay, so you can make it 100%, because right now this is the video and we are not interested to make it empty. Okay, so you can add the custom placeholder. So maybe I am adding something like this. Okay, so this is the image which will be on the top of the video, and the video will be in the background once we are clicking on it. Okay, and then click on save. You can also upload your own video if you have, but right now I don't have, so I am just embedding my YouTube link. Okay, then the next block is like text and images. Right now we are not interested to do anything related to image, so we are going to delete it. Next is click on add section. We have custom liquid. So custom liquid is something related to the section. For example, you have not any feature which you can add using these sections. So how you can do is you can actually embed it into your store. So maybe if you are interested to add any image which is whose width is little bit different, or maybe you want in your own way, so you can add it, add the code here actually. So for example, I am shirts brand. So you can see that we have a lot of images here. So for example, you are interested to put this image into your store, or yeah, this is not clear enough, maybe this one, yeah, this one. So you can open image in new tab, and here you can see that this is the link. You should copy it and you should paste it into the source, and you can write here like width equals to 100%. Okay, so that's how the embedded section, I mean custom liquid, will work. Okay, I think you got the understanding like how how the custom liquid is working. Like we have any code and we wanted to add into our store, so just copy and paste the code and that's it. Next is click on add a section, FAQ header. So what does it mean? Yeah, this is something related to search. So for example, you have something and your customer are interested to find that specific product or maybe section using search option, so you can provide this option to your customers. So show index column, yeah, you can remove it, because how we can help it? So this is not good looking. Show search, yeah, this we can add it. Okay, so here is the description. Maybe we can add it dummy text and let's see how it looks. So yeah, this is looking great. Okay, set as primary page heading. Yeah, this is not required. So maybe we can write it here like you can search your choice. So from this section, the customers are able to search any specific product into our store. Okay, so let me change its yeah, that's good. Okay, click on save, and here we have also the title. Yeah, we have written now. Okay, great. Now the next section is click on add a section and click on featured collection. I think we already added the featured collection. Maybe let me see. No, that was the collections. All the collections are displaying here. These are all the collections, and now we are adding featured collection. Featured collection means the products inside of the collection. So for example, I am connecting this, so you can see new arrival products are here. Okay, we have products per row. If you want to keep them 3, you can also make them. If you want 4, so only 4 products will be visible and other will be in the slider. Okay, yeah, can you see? That's how it will look. So if you want more rows, then it will also work. Right now we have only limited products, so those are not showing. So for now we have to see only 1 row, but problem is like we have enabled the carousel. So if we have not enabled the carousel, then we can display multiple rows. Okay, if we have enabled the carousel, then only in the single row it will be displaying. Color schema you can change. Yeah, you can make it like this, or maybe this one is better. Okay, so if you want if you have multiple products and for say example you have only 1 row, you have not enabled carousel, and yeah, and here we have view all option. If you want, you can hide it. So view all option is hidden, because view all will be displaying only when you have more products which are displaying. I mean, only few products are displaying and rest are not displaying. So right now we are not interested to show view more, we are only interested to enable carousel. Okay, and you can also change the title here like our latest collection. Okay, and let me see any other option if we have. No, that's it. Now the next is click on add section, and here we have featured product. Okay, so in the featured product what we have is click on any of the product, click on this and click on save. So here we have all the enable stick on scroll. For example, I am clicking on stick on scroll. Yeah, this is looking good, because if you have multiple images, so information will be stick and on the left it will be scrolling. Okay, so we have carousel below, thumbnail below. So these are the talking about these small images. If you want, you can also make them 1 column. Can you see all in 1 column? If you want, you can make them college style. If you want, you can make them college style too. And we have 1 column, we have 2 column, we have carousel below. Yeah, this one. Okay, so this is looking better. And if you want, you can also make them in the left. Can you see? In the left these images are displaying, but right now I'm interested to make them in the bottom. Okay, so that's how it is looking. Okay, perfect. Scroll it down. Yeah, variant option label, enable video looping. Right now we don't have any video. If you have any video inside of these images, so if you are enabling this autoplay videos, so automatically the video will be played inside of this bigger image section. Okay, enable video looping will be helping you to loop the video. For example, a video is displaying and it is played, and after finishing it, it will automatically repeat. Okay, you can enable or disable this option also. Then click on save. Now we have multiple things to customize. You can add the title here, but right now we have added the featured product, so automatically title, price, vendor, and everything is fetched, okay, from the backend. Okay, now we have another section which is related to gallery. So click on it. We have multiple options to add the gallery, and accordingly we can put the links. Can you see we have the links? So we can add actually some images here. Let me put some images. So for example, I am adding this image. Let me add something more. And in this tell our story, let me add this one here. And we have this one. You can add images according to your choice. Let me click on this. Image height is natural. Natural will be like whatever will be the size of the image, that will be automatically adjusted. Okay, images per row, you can add them 3. Right now we have only limited images, so we can add them 2. So these are looking more better now. And you can also change the text, like we have the tell your story, so you can also write here like over new product, new arrival. So you can see over new arrival, and you can connect a specific link also. So for example, someone is clicking on it and he will be redirected to this page. Okay, and you can also add a button if you want. Buy now. Here we go. Now we can see that we have buy now option. So in the same way you can add in the other images also. And text overlay position is bottom left. If you want, you can also make them top left. Okay, click on save. Let me see in the front end how it is looking. Yeah, so this is the video, these are blog posts, these are FAQ section, these are collection list, we have form, we have the countdown timer, we have about us section, we have a video, we have the custom liquid code where we have added the image, and then we have the search option, we have featured product, and then we have yeah, these are featured collection, this is featured product, and then we have the gallery. Okay, let's move ahead with another section which is hotspot. So let me see what does it mean. So this is also the latest feature. So for example, I am adding an image where we have multiple things to sell. For example, this image, can you see? So this is the image, but we have featured name. So for example, someone is clicking on this, then we can explain this, like we have shirt. Okay, and you can explain your shirt here, like new arrival, this shirt is from our top brands, really attractive and smooth. So if someone is clicking on this, then automatically this pop-up will show, and he will able to get to know like what does it mean. So in the same way we have featured name here, like this one. So maybe we can write here like we have eyelashes. Okay, related to eyelash you can describe here. In the same way we have this, so we can write here like leather purse, or maybe leather bags. Okay, and related to leather bag you can describe it here. So in the same way you can add multiple spots. Add spot. Okay, so these are the spots. This is the spot, this is the one. Yeah, multiple spots you can add actually, but for now we have added 4. 1 2 3. Yeah, we have 3 now. You can save the changes. Then we have another section which is image with text. So this is simple because in most of the cases we see this stuff in our day-to-day themes. So for example, I am adding this, and in the second image I am adding this. Yeah, so this is looking more beautiful. You can see that this is looking more attractive. Our luxury brand, and you can talk about your luxury brand. Then we have the button. You can add it, read more, maybe read more. You can connect a link. For example, you want to add them to about us page. Click on save. So this is looking beautiful. Click on add section. We have image with overlay text. So let's see how it is. So this is also something which we also see in other themes. So this is related to, for example, I am adding a neat and clean image here like this, and you can put some text on it. If you want, you can also put a button. So right now we don't have any text, so maybe we can write here something. Latest, maybe we can see premium, and one more thing is maximum height, width. We have mobile font size, text size should be little bit smaller. Yeah, we can write premium, and you can add some more detail. You can add the button. We have buy now, maybe buy now, and you can connect that to all the products. So if someone is clicking on it, then automatically redirected to the premium products. Okay, click on save. So this is very much similar to other themes, not unique. Okay, then after we have another section related to key features. So let's see what is this. Yeah, we have to add an image here. For example, I am adding this one. Then we have another image, and then we have another image. This one. Okay, so let's see what does this mean. This means that we have 3 key features. Like, we are scrolling it down, and automatically the title and description is on the right. So you can add the text, and for example, this is stretch. We can say like kitchen products. Okay, related to kitchen products, you can describe here. In the same way, we have t-shirt. You can describe related to your t-shirt, and in the same way we have, for example, this one. So you can also say woman, girls t-shirt, and you can describe related to this here. So this is looking little bit attractive than a common feature. This is unique, so you can add it into your store if you need it. Then after, you can also add multiple features. Right now we just need to understand, so we got the idea like what exactly we mean. Okay, now we have another section which is related to logos. So in some cases we are interested to put the brands like where we are selling, or which companies are connected with our store. So this is little bit more trusted thing. So you can add multiple logos here. as many as you want. And yes, yeah, that's it. Yeah, so here you can upload the logo images. Right now I have only one logo, but you can add them multiple. Okay, so for the sake of example, I am putting only single logo, just to give you an example like how it is looking. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so this is how the logos will be looking. So logo width you can increase or maybe decrease. Yeah, this is good. 160, 160. So we need some space. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so in most of the cases we don't need this brand, I mean title, so you can remove this title. So this section is looking more attractive now. Then we have another section which is this was key list. We have map. So let me see how it is looking. So we have the details related to the map, like what is the address, and accordingly the map is that detail is on the left. And image, for example, let me put something similar. Yeah, for example, I'm adding this. Yeah, Google Map API key you have needed. So for example, you wanted to display the Google Map, and the address will be here, but you need to add the API key. So in that way, automatically the customer will able to locate your address, okay, once he is clicking on it. So right now we don't have the API key, so that is pretty simple. You should click on register a map, and automatically you will be redirected to your Google account, and from there you should copy and paste the Google Map API key, and automatically that will be displaying here. Okay. Retro. Yeah, that's good. And we can add something, maybe this. Yeah, for now we can add a simple image, but automatically the map will be displaying once you are adding the Google Maps API key. Okay, now the next section is multiple columns. So this is pretty simple. We can add some images, we can add some text, and this is a kind of like testimonials. So for example, I am adding this. Let me add to this. Wait a minute. Yeah, so what we can do is we can actually make them little bit smaller. Square, portrait, 2 by 1. Yeah, you can actually adjust the height and width of this according to your requirement. Okay, so you can write here testimonials. Okay, button style, color schema you can add, but we can make it default for now. Yeah, we can add the button, like for example, link. Okay, maybe share. Yeah, this is the share button. So in the same way, if you are putting something similar, then automatically the customer is clicking here and sharing that product to someone else. Okay, so you can add the buttons here. Just need to go to each testimonial and write the name here. For example, I'm writing here share, and then you can connect a specific link. For example, you can he can go to news or any other section. So that's how this will look. Let me add one more here. Oh, sorry, maybe we can add not share, shop, because someone has purchased this product and you are also interested to see what exactly he purchased. So you can connect a specific product. Okay, so we can add shop, product, underwear for example. Then we have another product like shop. We have the link, click on product, jogger maybe. Yeah, click on save. You can also upload a video here if you want. Here you should write the name like Kate, Angelina, Bob. Yeah, these are the name, their descriptions, and then maybe their feedbacks, whichever you got. And you can also add multiple columns here. Okay, but for now we have needed only 3. Then you can click on add section again. We have a newsletter where the customers can subscribe. Okay, subscribe to our newsletter. So that's how you can actually create the home page. So you should click on save. You can go to catalog and see how it looks. Maybe you should go to the home page from the front. So here we go. Now you can see that we have the home page. We added a video. You should scroll it down. We have blog posts. So basically the blog post, we can put it in the bottom. So let me see where exactly it is. Wait a minute, scroll it down. We have this blog post. So you can scroll, move it to the just above the contact form. So let me refresh it back. Here we go. Now we have the banner. Here we have the video, we have the FAQs, we have collection list, we have blog posts, we have the contact us form, we have the countdown timer, we have the about us section, we have a video which we can click and play. Actually it is not playing. Okay, I will check back. And here we have the custom liquid where we added an image. We have the search, we have featured collection, we have featured product, and then we have gallery, and we added also the key points. Can you see eyelashes and these things? These are looking also attractive. And then we have something related to our luxury brand. So maybe this luxury brand should be on the top. Our story, featured product, tell our story. Yeah, we have gallery, hotspot, image with text. So this should be on the top. Background video, just below the background video we can put it, yeah, like this, because this is looking more attractive here. Okay, yeah, this, can you see? This is the video, this is our luxury brand, and everything is down below. And then we have featured collection, we have featured product, then we have gallery, we have the images, key points, which I already mentioned you, like this is just the introduction of our product. Then we have the banner, we have this unique section which is just helping us to know about our ourselves, or maybe our related to our product. This is the logo section which we can add according to our brands. So this is how the people will be seeing like our store is more trusted. Then we have the map, we have testimonials, and we have a newsletter. Okay, let me see how we can connect some links in the bottom. So you should go to the dashboard. And then after you should go to navigation. Yeah, we have main menu, footer menu. So in the main, yeah, we need to go to footer from here. Yeah, this is the footer. We have the navigation. So we need to change the menu here. So this is the main menu. Quick links. Okay. So on the right we have the newsletter. You can add it. And we have also related to our brand, for example, shop website codes. Shop website codes. Yeah, related to your brand you can add it. And then we have our social media links. So where you can add the social media links. So you should click on settings. We have social media, and here you can paste your social media links. Okay, so this is pretty simple, like LinkedIn, TikTok, we have Instagram, we have Facebook, and you can also change the color schema here if you want. So right now our color schema is something like this, like brown and white. So you can change the background from here if you need something different. For example, I am writing this. So let me see. Yeah, can you see? Everything is changed now. Okay. But now I am not interested into this color. So maybe I need to change it back. Yeah, maybe you can use this color, or we can also get back to same color. So let me pick this color. So how you can pick this color actually? So click on this color palette, click on this color picker and click here, and automatically this code will be, this is the hex code which we are going to copy from which we will paste it here, and automatically that color will be picked. Yeah, got it. Okay, so this is related to color. And if we have something related to typography, that is related to the font family, so you can maybe add some other fonts. Let me choose maybe Roboto. Yeah, so automatically the font family will be updated. So this is the typography. We have Inter, we have Roboto. So everywhere the Roboto will be updated. Here we have also Inter. You need to mention here Roboto. So in the navigation also the Roboto is applied. We have store name, American brands for example. So you can change it to Roboto. Okay, so that's how you can change the font family. Then we have the search option, show text below image on. Okay, no problem. So this is, yeah, below. Yeah, this is also one of the best feature. Let me show you what exactly it means. Yeah, if we are hovering over about, so you can also see these things are showing. One more thing I was interested to show, click on this search and you can see that this search box is showing here. If I am clicking on over tint, so what does it mean? Click on save. sorry, this is not related to search. Image, okay, no problem. Let me see what changes will be there. Yeah, this is not the this is not something. So this is not affecting, but maybe we have some other features. This is actually the text position related stuff, not related to our search. Okay, then we have favicon. So you can change the favicon. Favicon means on the top, can you see we have Shopify logo here. You can update to any other logo. Then we have cart. Right now we have a drawer, so you can change to the page. So let me show you what exactly it means. So for example, I am clicking on any of the product here, and if I'm clicking on add to cart, it will show drawer. On the right, it is displaying the drawer. Guys, just a second. Okay, perfect. So can you see we have the sidebar where we have the products you may also like. So this is also the best thing. And one more thing is like we have 20 in stock ready to ship. So all this stuff is also important. So we will be customizing those stuff also. Yeah. We have explored the cart page. We have currency formatter. We have the checkout. You can update the checkout page also. We have advanced features. So basically there are multiple things which we can do. So let's go to product page and let's see what we can do there. Click on any of the product and click on this customize section, and here we have multiple things which we can do. So here we have all the stuff which is basically we already have, but we have featured product. Wait a minute, let's go to catalog. Okay, click on product, click on default product. Okay, so actually we have similar structure here for the product, so that's why in the home page we can customize it. Okay, scroll it down and we have this featured product. Okay, so you can customize the things on the right hand side, which we already explored. Okay, so that's how we can use the Symmetry theme. If you have any problem or you want any custom feature to add into it, you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. But for now, everything is looking good. We have explored some unique features like for example these things. If something which you are interested to add into your store but have different theme, we can also do like that by just copying and pasting the stuff. But basically we need some coding. I will do it for you. So thank you so much. Keep connected, because each single day I go live and I also explore different themes and different features. So if you have any problem or something, you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. So thank you so much once again for coming to this live stream and supporting me, and please subscribe this channel if you are new on this channel. So thank you.